Hey guys, today I'll show you how to set up Ava Host VPS. So go to Ava Hosting VPS and choose your plan. You can start with VPS 1 and just click order and scroll down. Choose your billing cycle. You can add an IPv4 or more. Choose an operating system, let's say Debian 12. And you can choose a control panel, for instance, ISP Manager, cPanel, or Flask. Add host name and add a root password. So be sure to keep this in a safe place. You can also view your root password once your VPS is ready. If you are an existing customer, just click this one, or you can create a new one. Then for payment details, they actually accept most of payment methods, cryptocurrency to PayPal to debit card. And just click this. I have read and agree to the terms of service. Then proceed to your invoice and pay your invoice. So once your VPS is ready, Ava Host will send you your VPS details. So be sure to check your email. So let me log into my Ava Host control panel. Okay, so this is my Ava Host control panel. You can reinstall, start, reboot, stop, or shut down your VPS. Now it's time to connect to our VPS via SSH. So download and install Bitwise. It's free. And this is your IPv4. And if you want to have an IPv6, just go to support and open a ticket that you will need an IPv6. So let's connect to our VPS. I'll just copy my IPv4 and I'll paste it here. Use root as your username and click login. Click accept and save. Enter your root password and click OK. So we will open a new terminal console and we will run yet another bench script. Okay, I'll just paste the script here and we'll wait for a few minutes and I will be back with the results. So now the test is done and this is the result. And for the Geekbench, you'll open this in a new tab. And this is the score. Quite low, but this is just the starter plan. So if you want to upgrade your VPS, you can anytime. And now you can install your favorite applications. Like if you want to host WordPress, you can install free and open source control panel like a virtual mean, cloud panel, or AA panel. And Ava Hosting doesn't close their port 25, 456, and 587. So you can host your private email. So that's it. This is how to set up Ava Host VPS and host your websites or private email. If you have any questions, just drop them on the comment section and I'll try to answer them all. If this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.